resources. What is the meaning of natural resources in Kannada? The natural resources means ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳು. And also we already discussed that what is the meaning of resources and what is the meaning of particular definition of the natural resources, and we discussed already what are the classification of the resources. The two classification are there now. The first one is the renewable resources, the second one is the non-renewable resources. What is the meaning? What are the examples? Like that, there so many things as discussed in the last classes, and also that is touched to the ecological footprint. I already briefly told you about the what is the meaning of ecological footprint, and according to the census what is there now. So all these are discussed in the last classes. Hope you all of you done your homeworks. Today we going to discuss about the continuation part of that chapter. That is the concept is the very important concept, that is scarcity of the resources. Today we going to learn the scarcity of the resources and some other part of this chapter. The first one thing is the scarcity of the resources. What is the meaning of scarcity in Kannada? The scarcity means korate. Scarcity means what? Korate. So why? What is the reasons for increasing the scarcity of the resources in the India all over the environment? What is the reason? Let us discuss about one by one. The scarcity of the resources. ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳ ಕೊರತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? What was the reason for that one? Let us discuss about that. The first thing, the growing population. This is a basic thing to increasing the scarcity of the resources. Population is overloading. It means ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ಬಳಸುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೈಲಿ routine life we using the one of the particular thing that at the same time the another one thing also satisfied your need by using that one. Is it right? So that is called as a substitute way to your desire. So we have to using that substitute or alternative. Well, I just given an example for that. Solar and wind power in the place of the coal power. Coal means ಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಲು. ಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಲನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ, so because of the reason when we use the coal, that is decreasing. It means ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ಪುನಃ ಬಳಕೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so for that reason at the place of coal power we using the solar and wind power. The solar and wind power is available in lot of, is it right? So for that reason we using the solar and wind power at the place of the coal power. The next one ethanol instead of the diesel. It means diesel ನ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ethanol ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The next one using the plastic furniture instead of the wooden furniture. It means when we using the wooden furniture, that time we have to destroy the lot of foresters. So for that reason we using the plastic furniture instead of the wooden furniture. Then we come to the next one, increasing the efficiency of the resource of use. It means increasing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. What efficiency. Efficiency means ದಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ of resources use. It means ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. I just given an example for this point. The first one is the machine that consume the less resources like 4-stroke engine in the place of the 2-stroke engine. We have to using one of the material that is very related to the electronic. That time we using the 2-stroke machine means 2% capacities of machines as used instead of the some less energy. So for that reason we using the 4-stroke engine. At the same time it is save the energy. Is it right? 2-stroke engines ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಾವು 4-stroke engines ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ ದಕ್ಷತೆಯ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is saving of resources. That is saving of the resources. The next one, the government policy to regulate the overuse of resources and also a pollution. This is a very important thing. What that government policies. Policies means what? The which rules and regulations to guide the some of the thing that is called as a policies. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ನೀತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳು ಒಂದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಡ್ವೈಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that is called as a policies. ನೀತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. The policies as given by the who? The government. The government giving some policy to regulate to overuse of resources and also a pollution. It means overusing. Overusing means ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬಳಸತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಏನನ್ನ? The resources and also a pollution. Pollution ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು and also a resources ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು The